Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has the potential to transform your workspace, the ErGear Electric Standing Desk, model EGESD112B. If you're interested in this desk, we found it online, and you'll find a link in the description below for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The ErGear EGESD112B is a height-adjustable sit-stand desk measuring 55 by 28 inches. It's designed to provide the flexibility to switch between sitting and standing positions throughout your workday, promoting better posture and overall health. This desk is ideal for anyone looking to create a more dynamic workspace, whether you're working from home, managing a small office, or setting up a study area. One of the standout features of this desk is its impressive stability and durability. Crafted from automotive-grade cold-rolled steel, the ErGear Standing Desk is built to last. It's powered by a robust motor that has been rigorously tested to withstand up to 50,000 lift cycles. This means you can trust that the desk will provide a rock-solid foundation for years to come, even with regular adjustments throughout the day. The height adjustability of the desk is quite remarkable, offering a wide range from 27.9 inches to 46.8 inches. This flexibility makes it simple to find the perfect height for your comfort, whether you prefer to sit while working or stand. An adjustable desk can make a big difference in your energy levels and focus, reducing the fatigue that often comes from prolonged sitting. Another great feature is the spacious surface area of 55 inches by 27.6 inches. This provides ample space to set up multiple monitors, a laptop, your keyboard, and mouse, all while keeping your workspace organized. Plus, the desk is available in a variety of colors and sizes, allowing you to choose the ideal configuration that complements your office setup. One of the most convenient aspects of the ErGear Standing Desk is its 4 memory height presets. This allows you to save your favorite height settings using the controller's preset buttons. So, whether you're transitioning between sitting and standing or sharing the desk with someone else, a single button press lets you quickly switch to your preferred position, making your workflow more efficient. As for assembly, the ErGear EGESD112B comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual and labeled parts, making the setup process straightforward and hassle-free. And if you run into any questions during assembly or have inquiries about the product, their US-based support team is readily available to assist you. So, who is this desk suitable for? If you're someone who spends long hours at a desk, be it for work, studying, or gaming, the ErGear Standing Desk can be a game-changer. It encourages movement throughout your day, which can lead to improved posture and reduce strain on your back and neck. It's also a fantastic option for professionals who are looking to enhance their productivity and energy levels in a home office setting. In practical use cases, you might find this desk particularly beneficial if you have multiple tasks to juggle. For instance, if you're working on a project that requires extended focus on a computer screen, you can start in a sitting position. After a few hours, switch to standing while taking calls or brainstorming ideas. This versatility can help break the monotony of a traditional desk job. In conclusion, the ErGear Electric Standing Desk EGESD112B is an excellent investment for anyone looking to create a more active and ergonomic workspace. With its solid construction, impressive height range, and convenient features, it's designed to fit a variety of needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.